So we're going to the Rainforest Cafe, or not Rainforest Cafe, Rainforest Pyramid. Thump, thump, ribbit, 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 why do tree frogs sing? What do you hear? I hear bees. So what you do is there's places for you to stand and you're supposed to hear things. But again, I hear the bees. So I'm not sure if they're all the bees or what. But I love the things up top here. There are more plants and animals in rainforest than any other habitat on Earth. Unfortunately, that looks like it was it. And look, it sounds like it's raining. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, wait, nope, that's not it. Okay, good. I will say in the rainforest area, it is hot and humid just like it is outside. So they do have these little pans for the birds to come closer to you. There's their food over there that's close. Here's some butterfly backs. The life cycle of a butterfly. They do have little things to tell you about the different type of trees in here, the weather, and the rainforest pyramid. So it's 88 degrees in here and with 78% humidity. So what happens at nightfall in the rainforest? $12 a.m. Wee! As it turned the camera off. Asia Trail. You see that lizard? So we're in the bottom part now. Up top is where we were. I know there's the bridge over there. You can see it kind of, sort of, right up there. Anyways, it's so much cooler down here. Like the waterfall down over there. I love the plants. These are neat colors. Komodo dragon. Let's see if we can see him. I don't see him. Okay, I miss all the animals. Oh, there he is. Let me see if I can go get his face over here. Yeah, right back there. And we got a fish over here. It also tells us about the animals. I know it's a little bit blurry, but oh look, we got a fire hose. Look at the fruit. I know it's for the birds, but that's cool how they did that. Chameleon lizard somewhere in there. Koi fish. We got birds crossing the road. Why did the bird cross the road? To get to the other side, of course. Ooh, feels good. And look, we got fishies. Ladies and gentlemen, are we going to see the backside of water? And the backside of water! And the front side. You see the bats? They are a vampire bat. So with that, that was my day at Moody Gardens Attractions. So with that, thank you for joining me and have a magical day.